Yo fam, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have just got back from the Ambani wedding. We have just gone back, I have changed and I was like I'm gonna go straight and film this vlog for you guys. Everybody sees the normal stuff, the pap videos on Instagram and everything, but I have some BTS exclusive footage that I have filmed only for you guys, the Act fam, that's in this vlog. Also a disclaimer, this video is gonna be an absolute chaos because I couldn't film everything over there. I was also kind of like ये film करूँ वो कुछ होगा नहीं ना मेरे को भाई, क्योंकि first time I'm also attending a wedding like this. We have left for the wedding at 4 PM and got in there around 5:30. And at the gate, my name was not showing up on the list, and I was like, "नहीं भाई, ये scam हो गया मेरे साथ. I can't go back from here. Like I'm seeing this grand hall, this decor, and I'm like, bro, I really want to go in, man. I don't want to go back home." But luckily we got it sorted, and in I went through those grand gates. Immense security, obviously, like insane. मेरे हाथ ये fracture को metal उसके साथ scan किया. I was like, भाई पक्का मैं कुछ लेके नहीं आ रहा. I just want to vlog inside the wedding, man. But we have gotten in, and this was my reaction when I just got in.
Alright guys, I just got in. I can't be very loud or speak loudly here. We have made it to the wedding. As you can see, vibes on vibes. Everybody and everything is very sophisticated here. So हमें थोड़ा अच्छे से behave करना होगा. Just look at this. I've decorated this place like crazy. The wedding has just started and I can't wait. I honestly don't know who I'm gonna meet, what all's gonna happen. Let's go.
So basically we walked in and the decor was absolutely insane. There were people playing like the sitar at like every 40 meters, flowers on like every ceiling. There was like a whole garden area outside. And I also met Anuv there, Anuv Jain. You all know him, you all love his music. I met him there. So then Anuv and I went outside and we explored this like garden area that they had set up.
Oh, this is insane. I'm gonna be shaking. I'm gonna take a photo. This is mad, bro. Alright, we have Anuv also with us here. Oh, yeah. Say hi. There's this outdoor area region where we're just walking around. There's a horse here.
There was like an elephant made out of flowers, a horse made out of flowers, and we thought that decor was insane. But, bro, we had not even gotten to the main hall. This is our reaction when we walked into the main hall.
Alright, we're going into some type of hall. Looks insane. Bro, this is mind blowing, bro. What the hell is this? Bro, this wedding is something like I have never seen or heard in my life. Have you ever seen anything like this in your life? I've never seen anything like this in my life. This wedding is insane.
So the hall you just saw, we thought, okay, fine, it has to be, you know, this massive hall, you know, that has to be like it. But no. There was another hall right next to it, which was the same size, where there was like this massive stage laid out. And that second hall also was absolutely packed with people because A.R. Rahman and Shreya Ghoshal were about to perform there in like 20 minutes. We got there 20 minutes before the performance was about to start. And this was our reaction there.
We're here, we're about to see A.R. Rahman perform, and just look at the crowd that's here. Like, there are so many people, and right back there, I don't know if you can see it, there are two chairs. That's where the photo thing happens at the reception. That's gonna happen. Bro, just look at the amount of people here. And this is nothing. पीछे और कुछ चल रहा है, पीछे और ही कुछ चल रहा है, इधर और ही कुछ चल रहा है. Mad.
So after watching A.R. Rahman and Shreya Ghoshal, we wanted to go up and eat something, and we realized Tanmay Bhatt was also up. So we decided to coordinate with him and try to meet him. But again, there was not one dining room, but there were two dining rooms. So we didn't know which one we were in, which one Tanmay was in, and we are coordinating with each other. Like literally, these are Tanmay and my chats. I sent the crying emoji, what floor and room text. Tanmay has said, why didn't you send pictures, bro? 3rd floor, Lotus Ballroom. The other room is called the Pearl Room. So Anu and I were in the Lotus Ballroom, but we didn't know it's called the Lotus Ballroom. And Tanmay was in the Pearl Ballroom, and we're trying to coordinate. एक hall ही इतना बड़ा है कि you'll think you're in the same room, but you're not, because we're trying to say कि there's like this golden tree decor around me, and Tanmay is like, I can't see a golden tree, but it might be in the same room just a little ahead because of how goddamn big this room was. So yeah, this was our mission, to find Tanmay and meet him.
We're currently on a mission to find Tanmay, but we don't know which ballroom he is in because this place is so goddamn big that we honestly don't know where he is. We're we're sending him pictures of what room we are in. He's saying, no, this is not it. We're on the same floor, but there are different rooms. Where is the other? Oh, there.
Didn't meet Tanmay over there, but we met him eventually later at some other place. We saw a bunch of celebrities there, which is obvious because it's the Ambani wedding. We saw Tiger Shroff, we saw Jackie Shroff, saw Arjun Kapoor, a lot of cool people were there, and genuinely bro, it was mad because they were just walking around casually. I'm like, हाँ मैं इधर क्यों? अभी ये कमेंट्स आएंगे कि हाँ तू इधर क्यों था, मेरे को भी नहीं पता मैं उधर क्यों था. But then we went down because the Ambani family and the merchant family were all up on stage, sweetly meeting thousands of people who were waiting in line. Like there was a sea of people just waiting to go up on stage and greet them. And then obviously came my favorite part. We went to eat food finally, and brother, the food over there, like any cuisine you can imagine, it's there. Chaat, and bro, best chaat I've eaten in my life at this wedding. Some aloo chaat they had with Vai noodles on top. Mwah. Banging, too good food. And the desserts, dude, the entire, if you've been to Geo Convention Center, you know how long the entire walkway is. The entire walkway outside, like the ballrooms, were just dessert counters. Try to imagine 200 meters of just desserts. Like I was losing my mind, and we were getting the desserts on a train. I'll put the video here. There was a train going around with desserts, and man, मैंने literally 1 घंटा बैठ के सिर्फ dessert पेला है. Best bro, the food I'm telling you was out of this world, but the desserts were also better. 1 hour I've sat and just eaten dessert. But yeah, that was the wedding. I'm sorry I didn't do a proper vlog over there because I was genuinely a little overwhelmed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Genuinely insane experience. Congratulations to Anant and Radhika, and thank you to the entire Ambani family for having me. I know a lot of people are going to say, "Acha, तेरे को बुलाया था video बनाने के लिए." नहीं, they have not asked me to make it, but I want to share the experience with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Join the Hype Fam with Dream Chasers. We're not afraid to be different, and we push each other to become better people every single day. I love you guys, and I will see you later. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm very tired. It's almost 8 o'clock right now. I will see you guys later. I love you. Okay, chalo. Bye. I was invited to the Ambani wedding, so let me show you what all happens behind the scenes because I was absolutely mind blown by this wedding. As soon as I entered, मुझे लगा मैं कोई जादुई दुनिया में आ गया हूँ because this place was too pretty to be real. All the ceilings were decorated with flowers, and there were these cultural stations and so many things to do. We saw so many celebrities here, but that's like a casual thing you would expect at an Ambani wedding, right? Then Anuv and I went to the stage where there were again so many people because the performances were about to start. We saw the one and only A.R. Rahman and Shreya Ghoshal perform live, और हम गला फाड़ फाड़ के गाए हैं. The Ambani and merchant family were up on stage sweetly meeting everybody, and this was the crazy line that was there to meet them. I mean, obviously. Next we went to get dinner, and food was being delivered on a freaking train here. How cool is that? I'm not even joking. मैंने literally 1 घंटा बैठ के सिर्फ dessert खाया है. The food was that damn good, bro. This wedding was genuinely one of a kind. Thank you so much to the Ambanis for having me. Okay, chalo, bye.